Good morning students and welcome back to your science lecture. We will learn here science chapter number 4, that is the brain and the senses. The brain and the senses. So in this chapter we have to learn about the brain and the senses, means the sense organs, and the function of the brain and the function of the sense organ. So how they work, that we have to learn here. So how they can work? So nervous system is very important, and without nervous system they are not able to work. Without nervous system, the brain and our sense organs not able to work. Yes, that we have to learn here how the nervous system work for the brain and for the sense organ. So we will start here. Today's topic is nerves. We have learned brain in our last lecture. So what is mean by brain? We know that in our brain there are different types of areas, particular areas for the particular sense organ. Yes, related to ear, hearing area, vision area, again thinking area, thought area, speech area for controlling the speech, movement area. So various types of different areas are present inside the brain that we have learned in the last lecture, and how they function, that also we have learned in the brief. Today we will learn about the nerves. So what is the nerves? What are the nerves which are present in our body? So student, we have learned in our last chapter circulatory system. Yes. So what is meant by circulatory system? And in excretory system also we learn something. Yes. So circulatory system means the system which is made up of blood vessels, heart and lungs. The system which is made up of blood vessels, heart and lung, that is called the circulatory system. Means the blood gets circulated through the blood vessels. So blood vessels are the medium. For providing oxygen and food throughout our body. For providing oxygen and blood through our body. Yes, from one part to another part, how oxygen and food reach? Through the blood, through the circulatory system, that we know. Yes. So for that circulatory system, blood vessels are spread all over in our body. We can see in our body so many blood vessels are there. That blood, yes, that are flow. Blood is running through that blood vessels, and through that blood we get food and oxygen. Yes. So similarly, there is another system that is called nervous system. And nervous system is very important, and due to this nervous system our sense organ can function. Our sense organ can work according to their particular senses. Yes. So nerves are present all over the body like the blood vessels. We can compare that nerves with that wires. Yes. How are that wires? Like that wires, all our bodies, all the nerve system is present at every sense organ and in our body, everywhere, inside bone also, that also we have seen, inside bone also with blood vessels, nerves are present, and due to that nerves we get the sensation while we get injured. Our bone, when our bone get injured, how we will come to know? How we can know that our bone is injured? That is because of nervous system. Nervous system के कारण ही हमको हमारी bone को injury हुई है ये समझ में आता है. Because inside our bone nerves are present. So क्या काम है वो nerves का? ये जो nerves होते हैं ना, that nerves what they do, whatever thing happening inside our body, whatever sensation we get, we are hearing now, I am speaking now, so that we are hearing, you are seeing something, I am also seeing something. That things what our eyes are seeing, what our ears are hearing, that things, the sensation of that things reach to our brain through that wire-like nervous system. Through that wire-like nervous system. And these are spread all over inside our body. Yes? So, these are like that, from brain towards the all seven sense organ, from each and every part of body towards the spinal cord. This is our spinal cord present here. Yes, from neck to our hip portion, spinal cord is present. Up to the spinal cord, from the lower part of body, nerves are joined to the spinal cord at first. Nerves are joined to the spinal cord from the lower parts of our body. Then the spinal cord is joined to the brain. Then the spinal cord is joined to the brain. Yes, through the brain stem. Yes, brain stem is a mediator. It is the joint. It is a joint of our spinal cord and our brain. So through that brain stem, our spine is joined to the brain. And through that spine, spinal cord is passed. Spinal cord is passed. See that? This is the spine. This is the vertebral column. Yes. Yes, this vertebral column I have drawn here. And through this spine, bunch of nerves is passed. Bunch of nerves is passed. And this bunch of nerve is nothing but spinal cord. This is the spinal cord. What is mean by cord? Cord means any thread-like structure, that is called cord. Yes, this is also cord of headphone. Yes. So similarly, this is a cord. Yes. So this is our spinal cord and it is very much important. It is known as mini brain. How? We will see later. So this spinal cord is attached to the brain. These nerves are attached to the brain, and that nerves, that spinal cord, give the message from all our body to the brain, and then the brain give reply. The brain give reply to us. And how these nerves are formed? We have seen our first chapter, that is nerve cell. Yes, this is the nerve cell. It is a spider shape. Yes, this is the nerve cell, and by the joining of various millions and millions nerve cell, by the joining of millions and millions nerve cell, nervous system is formed. Nerves are formed here. So nerves are formed here. By the joining of various millions and millions and millions nerve cell, the nerves are formed. The nerves are formed. ये कॉर्ड कैसे बनी है? इसके लिए बहुत सारे पार्टिकल्स एक साथ ज्वाइन हुए हैं पहले. यस, एक ही पार्टिकल से बना है क्या पूरा? एक ही चीज से बना है? नहीं, बहुत सारे पार्टिकल्स एक दूसरे को ज्वाइन करके ये पूरा कॉर्ड बना है ना? इसी तरह सेम लाइक दैट आवर नर्व्स आर फॉर्म बाय द जॉइनिंग millions and millions nerve cells together, and the cord is formed by the joining. एक दूसरे को ज्वाइन करके क्या बन गया है? ऐसे चेन के जैसे एक दूसरे को ज्वाइन करके क्या बन गया? ये पूरा एक कॉर्ड बन गया है. और ये बहुत सारे कॉर्ड एक साथ मिलके पूरी नर्वस सिस्टम फॉर्म हुई है. यस, बहुत सारे कॉर्ड एक साथ ज्वाइन करके नर्वस सिस्टम बनी. एंड दिस नर्व्स आर स्प्रेड इन all our body. Yes, now clear? So how that work? अभी ये वर्क कैसे करते हैं? कैसे पता चलता है? ये नर्वस सिस्टम से हमारा ब्रेन हमको मैसेज देता है और बॉडी ब्रेन को मैसेज देती है. यस, our body convey message to the brain and our brain give reply to the body through that nerves. Nerve के मीडियम से हमको मैसेज मिलता है ब्रेन की तरफ से, और हमारी बॉडी भी मैसेज किससे भेजती है? ब्रेन की तरफ से. यदि वायर नहीं है, कहीं भी कनेक्शन नहीं है वायर का, तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास हो सकती है क्या? वायर को कट कर दिया तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास हो सकती है? इज इट पॉसिबल टू कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इफ द वायर इज नॉट देयर? यस, आर यू गेटिंग? Similarly, the nervous system work as a wires. Nervous system work as a wire. Through this cord, through these nerves, we get message and our brain also get message. बॉडी से ब्रेन तक जाता है और ब्रेन से बॉडी तक जाता है. तो जो नर्व्स, तो ये नर्व्स कितने टाइप्स के होते हैं? नर्व्स कितने टाइप्स के होते हैं? 2 टाइप्स के नर्व्स होते हैं. कितने टाइप्स के? 2 टाइप्स के नर्व्स होते हैं. कौन से होते हैं? वन इज सेंसरी नर्व्स and another is motor nerve. Yes, 2 types of nerves are present. एक बॉडी से ब्रेन की तरफ जाने वाला और एक ब्रेन से बॉडी की तरफ आने वाला. वन वे ट्रैफिक होता है. ये एक ही हाईवे पे इधर से भी और इधर से आने वाला ट्रैफिक नहीं है. हर एक के लिए अलग अलग लेन है. आने वाले के लिए अलग लेन, जाने वाले के लिए अलग लेन. समझ में आया ना? यस. आर यू गेटिंग दैट? सो ये कैसे है? फ्रॉम ब्रेन वी गेट सेंस थ्रू द मोटर नर्व, फ्रॉम ब्रेन मोटर नर्व, एंड फ्रॉम बॉडी से जो मैसेज जाता है ब्रेन को, वो किससे जाता है? सेंसरी से. क्योंकि सेंस ऑर्गन काम करते हैं. अभी सेंस ऑर्गन को दिखता है, मुझे दिख रहा है, क्या मैं देख रही हूँ. तो ये जो मैसेज जाएगा, तो सेंसरी नर्व्स, जो ऑप्टिकल नर्व्स जो प्रेजेंट है मेरे आंखों में, वो क्या देख रही है उसका मैसेज देंगे मेरे ब्रेन को. क्या सुन रही हूँ वो मैसेज दे रहे मेरे ब्रेन को. यस. सो दीज आर थ्रू द सेंसरी नर्व. नाउ ब्रेन विल गिव मैसेज टू माय organ, related organ. That message I get through the motor nerve. वो मैसेज किससे मिलता है? जो मुझे रिप्लाई देगा ब्रेन, उसके ऊपर मैंने क्या देखा, तो उसको देखा तो मुझे वो टीचर ने बताया, ये आप देखो, यू सी दैट और यू वॉच दैट एंड नोट डाउन. तो नोट डाउन करना है, तो ये मैसेज कौन देगा? मुझे ब्रेन देगा, मेरे हैंड को, है ना. ये अभी लिखो, टीचर बता रही है लिखो, तो ये आपको लिखना है. तो मेरा ब्रेन हैंड को मैसेज देगा. Yes, now I am telling you, write down all that things. Yes, so your brain will give you message. What message? Now you have to write down in your notebook. Yes, so that message from brain you get through the motor nerve. किससे मिलता है ये? मोटर नर्व से मैसेज मिलता है. समझ में आया? तो from brain that is motor, ब्रेन से मोटर, और फ्रॉम बॉडी टू ब्रेन सेंसरी नर्व्स. यस. सो लर्न दिस वेरी वेल. कीप इन माइंड, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बॉडी टू ब्रेन सेंसरी नर्व, ब्रेन टू बॉडी मोटर नर्व. So like that we have to learn that. Okay. So how this work? I will give an example. Yes. We know that in our brain there are different types of area. Hearing area, thinking area. Yes, again optical vision area. So one example I will give you. Let's see what is that. Cookies, different types of chocolate. Yes, this is Cadbury. So are you seeing that? And I am giving option to you. You have to choose only one thing. You have to choose only one thing that you like most, that you like much. Yes, what you like most, that only you will choose. So how your brain will work? At first you will see that what things are present here. Yes, my eyes are seeing, so my sense organ related to eyes will give the message to my brain. Now you are seeing, here are present cookies, good day, some various types of chocolate, orange flavor, coconut flavor, and so on. Again dairy milk is present there. So my sense organ of eyes giving message through the sensory nerve to the brain. So these things are present here. Now I have to choose only one thing. So what I have to choose? So in my brain there is thought area is present, memory is present there. So my memory will recall me my brain will recall me, yes, Vishali, you like Cadbury, most of you like Cadbury, so pick up that Cadbury, pick up that Cadbury. So that message I got from my brain, that message I got my brain from my brain to my hand, and now I picked up Cadbury that I like most. I picked that Cadbury which I like most among that things. Yes, I chose that. So why I choose that? Because my thinking area was working before that, and it gave message to my hand. It gave message to my hand, and which nerve work here? Now motor nerve work here. कौन से nerve ने काम किया अभी? Motor. Brain ने मेरे हाथ को message दिया. Pick up that Cadbury. You like that most. Pick up that Cadbury. You like that most. That message I got through the motor nerve. Yes, at first my eyes conveyed message through the sensory nerve to the brain. Brain को पहले message दिया मेरे eyes ने, क्या क्या मैं देख रही हूँ. Yes, what I am seeing. That message I got through the sensory nerve, and my brain give message to the motor nerve to my hand. Pick up that Cadbury that you like most. So this type work happen in our body through the sensory nerve and through the motor nerve. So student, I hope that you understood what are the nerves. It is a wire-like structure. It is very complicated form of that wires-like structure. That is nervous system. It is spread all over body. Everywhere it is our body is having nervous system, and that nerves are formed like a chain structure joining of the nerves cell together like this chain, and cord is formed by the chain of that nerve cell, and this cord get converted into various very much complicated nervous system. उसकी एक कॉर्ड की बहुत ज़्यादा कॉर्ड मिलके क्या बन गया? नर्वस सिस्टम हो गया, है ना? और ये नर्वस सिस्टम इट इज स्प्रेड ऑल ओवर द बॉडी एंड इट इज कनेक्टेड टू द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. दिस इज द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. इट इज प्रेजेंट, यस, it is present here up to hip portion, from brain to hip portion, and the cord is passed through the vertebral column, that is spinal cord, and it convey the message from our body to the brain, and our brain convey message from brain to spinal cord, and our spinal cord give the message to our organs. Like that our nervous system work here. So the body gives message to the brain through the sensory nerve, and our brain gives message to the body through the motor nerve. That was important here. So in our next topic we will learn about the spinal cord. Yes, in detail we will learn in the spinal cord. Okay? Thank you.